Today I'm going to be working on a 2021 Hyundai Veloster N. Alright, so today on the Veloster, we're going to be putting in some new spark plugs and coil packs. I picked these up from N75 Motorsports. Go check them out. I'll link them down in the description below. But let's get the hood of the Veloster open and start working on it. Alright, so you want to make sure your engine's cooled off before you start working on any of this stuff, because you don't want to be working on a hot motor, especially right up here on the top. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop these little tabs back like that, and then this whole connection should come right off. Maybe if I can do it one-handed. Alright, so next we're going to be taking off the coil packs. These ones are 10 mil. Just double check your own to make sure they're the same. But let's go ahead and remove the bolts for the coil packs. Once you get them all unbolted, you can go ahead and pull them all the way out. Alright, so you're going to use a 5/8 spark plug socket to get your spark plugs out. Alright, we got our old spark plug out. Now do the same thing to the other three. Alright, now before we put these ones in, let's do a quick side-by-side with the old spark plugs and the new ones, and the old coil packs and the new coil packs. This is the part number for the spark plugs that we're going to be running in the car. Like I said, I'll link these coil packs and the spark plugs down in the description below. Alright, got a real quick side-by-side with all of our old stuff and the new stuff we're putting in. You can see that these old spark plugs have been through a lot. They're kind of discoloring a bit, so it's good to get some new ones in there, some fresh plugs. You want to make sure you gap them as well. I went through and I checked the gap on all these ones. It's 0.022 to 0.028 for the Veloster. So I made sure they're all within that range. But let's go ahead and get our new spark plugs in. We're going to be putting some of this dielectric grease on the ends of them as well, just so it gives it a good healthy mating surface to our coil packs. Alright, now let's go get these reinstalled in the car. Now if your spark plug socket gets stuck in there like mine did, just take yourself a pair of needle nose, get it down in there the best you can, and try and pull that guy right back out. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and install our new coil packs. Alright, once you get all of them bolted back down, next we're just going to go ahead and reinstall our little connections. It's going to snap into place, and then you push the little gray thing back into place. And then you're going to go ahead and do that on each one. Now we can go ahead and put our engine cover back on the car. Well, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. Hope this video helped. If you liked any of the background music that was in this video, check out the artist's SoundCloud in the description below.